How to remove your YouTube channel from Gmail. Once you open your Gmail, you want to click on your Gmail's profile picture at the top right of your screen. And from inside here, just click on Manage your Google account. It's going to take you here. From here, you will see the search bar. On the search bar, click on it and write delete. Once you search for delete, you want to click on this option called delete a Google service. Click on it. Once you click on it, it'll take you to the deletion page. Over here, just make sure to click on the dustbin icon right beside YouTube. Once you click on it, it'll take you over here. And you want to choose, I want to permanently delete my content. Make sure to tick both of this and click on delete my content, and it's going to delete your content. Once your content is deleted, you want to click on this and click both of this and click on hide my channel. This is going to hide your channel. Now your YouTube account will not be deleted because deleting your YouTube account means deleting your Google account. That will not be deleted, but all of your content will be deleted and your YouTube will not show up even if somebody searches for it. That's how you guys can remove YouTube from your Gmail. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.